Yo, what's up? It's me again, PJO, PJO or PJ. So guys, my name is PJ. For those of you who does not know me, I'm PJ and I'm from Cebu, and I make videos about self-improvement, about money matters, basically anything about Cebu, di ba? Mga happenings dito sa Cebu, sa mga places to go, places to chill, and a lot more. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So I know that you will enjoy, and at the same time you will learn something new, kumbaga, di ba? So I make mga videos ng mga how to find your purpose in life, mga ngana, and how to be healthy, and of course about mga stock market and investing, and mga money matters, about budgeting. So basically, and of course mga movie reviews, I also do that, and yun, a lot more and a lot more, di ba? So yun, so please subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you very much. So for today, guys, it's already weekend today. It's Saturday, and I know most of you have plans for the weekend, di ba? And apil ana, I'm sure, pretty sure, apil ana is kanang mag-kaon or mag-dine out or mag-hub-hub, kumbaga, sa Bisaya pa, di ba? Basta Bisaya gani, di ba? Basta pakas gani, hub-hub gid na, di ba? Di ba? Daghan tag mga food places to go in Cebu. And today, guys, I will give kanang gitawag na to nga tipid tips, di ba? Sa mga hilig diha magkaon, maghilig sa food, mga foodums, kumbaga, di ba? So akong tip for today, guys, is actually recently lang ko nag-try ani nga app. It's called Eatigo, di ba? Spells as Eatigo. So basin pwede po na eat I go, di ba? Eat I go, di ba? Na Master Yoda ba? Bali-bali. Eat I go. Yon, di ba? Anyway, so yeah, nag-install ko ani nga app, and nindot siya. Basically, it's a reservation platform ito. They say that it is the number one reservation platform in Southeast Asia, di ba? So using this app, you will get discounts. Wala siya add-on man, wala siya add-on sa prices sa menu sa kung asa nga restaurant ang available currently sa Eatigo. So wala add-on. So basically, you have nothing to lose, guys, if you use this app, and everything to gain. Yon, di ba? Everything to gain kay mga on man ta, di ba? Joke. Anyway, yes, na-discount nga ihatag. Basically, mag-range na from 10% to 50%. So depende unsa nga mga restaurants ang available. Inyo man na siyang i-browse through kung unsa to mga restaurants nga available at that time. Then you will make the reservation, and that's it. You show up and you tell that restaurant that you are availing the Eatigo and you made some reservations, and automatically maka-avail mo sa discounts after na inig-bill out na ninyo, guys. So inga na siya ka plain and simple, di ba? Wala i-add-on. The good thing is kato wala add-on, and of course wala credit card info nga imo ihatag. So basically, you're just making the reservation for that restaurant, and on that time you just show up, di ba? It's plain and simple, and you get the discount, di ba? So muna ako na siyang gi-recommend yun nga app, especially sa mga foodies out there like me. So let's go na, guys. Maraga na overtime na sad ko ani ako ang pag-storya. So let's go, and I'll show you how to install the app, and be sure to use my referral code. Maluoy mo sampay. Dili bitaw. Actually, 200 voucher, makahatag sila 200 voucher if you can refer 4 friends, di ba? If kamo, guys, if nasa mo yung mga friends nga hilig og kaon, why not invite them? And once nag-install mo sa app and register mo, you can also have your referral link, kumbaga referral code that you can give to your friends, di ba? Para taghanta mag happy eating, guys, especially karon nga weekend. So yeah, guys. Anyway, so back to the installing of the app. We'll install the app, and I'll show you how to make reservations. So more to, guys. Basically, that's all we need to know about the Eatigo or Eat Eatigo. So eat we go guys. So let's go and install the app and mangaon na ta. So mag-reserve na ta today and I'll see you later guys kung asa man mo mangaon. Okay? So yeah, check out this video about Eatigo. Eatigo. So we're gonna install now the app guys. So basically we just go to our kaning Play Store, diba? Play Store or the App Store sa mga Apple users. So we search for the Eatigo app, diba? That's it, and you see it's Eatigo discounted restaurant reservations, diba? So mawala na siya ato i-install guys. Click the install. Very plain and simple. Yun. So, let's wait for it to download, guys. So, it's 10 MB. So, yun. May gani, medyo paspas atong internet. Yun. Di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yun. Installing na, guys. So, let's wait for it. Inga na lang kasi yun naman. Kasi yun, di ba? So, open it guys, and mag-register na ta. So, yeah. We'll register. You can see, money ang home screen ngayon yung makita. There. And you can change the location, man. Anyway, we'll go see. These are the available locations: Hong Kong, India, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Sa Philippines, guys, available siya in Cebu, Davao, and Manila. So, Cebu man ta guys, of course, Bisaya ta. So, yeah. Dito sa Cebu. And, there. Na-save na niya daan akong profile. So, basically, if first time ninyong installing this app, so, mag-require siya og registration. So, yeah. Ato na i-log out. Log out there. There. So kani ang inyong first time nyo mag-register, man ninyo makita. You can just simply use your Facebook, di ba? Register with Facebook, di ba? Register. And of course, ang pinaka-importante guys, if yun yung makita, di ba? I have a referral code. Mo ito akong giingon ninyo ganiha, di ba? Katong akong referral code is PETE 1ZRBO. 1ZRBO. I repeat guys. I'll just flash it on the screen, di ba? PETE 1ZRBO, di ba? Don't forget kani guys ha, don't forget the referral code. Maluoy. Please bitaw ni joke. PETE, that's me, it's Pete, di ba? 1ZRBO. Yon, submit. That's my referral code. Existing user, provided device already exists. So this is my phone manggod, so na-recognize niya. So, per device, dahil ni siya ang pag-install. So, yeah. Anyway, example na ni guys, of course, you fill in your kaning mong info, name, email, and password. Example, PJO, of course, PJO, email, PJO@gmail.com. Yun. Password, kamo na bahala na guys. But be sure katong lisod nga password. Oh, it's displaying. 4. Okay. Let's try that again. Test 1 2 3 4. Test 1 2 3 4, di ba? It's good sa mga password daw, better if na ay katong uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, and mas maipod if naay ka na mga special characters like kaning mga exclamation point, diba? So, kamo na bahala na guys kung kung sa inyo hang ganahan preferred nga password, di ba? So register, di ba? O see, simple, see, na. This is your name, of course, your email. They will send a verification code and of course imong number, di ba? Na diha. So naka-register na ta guys. Let's try to book, di ba? Example, iyon. Example. Yeah, you can just browse through, di ba? Nag-select naman tag location ganiha, di ba? We selected Philippines and of course Cebu. So ang mo appear ani sa iyang home screen will be kanang mga available. Ang mo appear ani sa iyang home screen is kaning mga available niya nga mga restaurants, di ba? So kaniya to mga i-check guys, kaniya mga restos, di ba? Yun. Di ba? So try ta. Mo niya mga available sa Cebu City, di ba? Na siya mga category man guys, na buffet o Japanese, Mactan, Mandaue, Bubble Tea Station, by Hotel, di ba? Kana, of course, di ba? Na J Park Island Resort, di ba? So, ayos kayo, di ba? Maribago Beach Resort, di ba? Orange Brutus, Fudge, daghan tag mga Kitanderi, Cebu Homegrown Restaurants, di ba? So, daghan tag restaurant. So atay try kaning let's try the top 50. Top 50 there, alright. Top 10 questions. Anyway, top 50 na guys, di ba? Oh, di ba? Sushi Boy, IT Park. Puso Bistro and Bar, Quest Hotel. Oh. Sonzi Bar, Robinson's Galleria, di ba? The Meat House at Manila, and a lot more, di ba? Cold Stone. So, daghan nagkapilian guys. So, up to you, di ba? Kung ano sa inyong ganahan. So, try na to, Sushi Boy. So, we'll just, as you can see, di ba? Makita ninyo nga night time and corresponding time and the discount nga available. Like, sa Sushi Boy, example ha. At 12 noon, 20% ilang ginahatag nga discount. 12:30, 20%. Ba? 1 p.m. 1:30. So you can see na 50% at 50% at as you can see na again na 50% at 2 p.m. kani 14. So kaniya to i-click, di ba? Click na to guys. There. Sushi Boy today, di ba? So makita ninyo here. So makita niyo here kaniya Sushi Boy at IT Park. So mo ni siya ang restaurant nga nag-offer ani 50% discount at 2 p.m., di ba? So kani ato i-click ang inyo makita sa screen is kini of course inyo select number of people, pila mo. 4 example or duha lang kay nag-date mo karon. 2 people ato i-confirm. Promo code, wala tayo promo code. So, from time to time, na mga promo code yung ihatag. So, yeah. Ang time, of course, katong giselect ganina is today at katong 2 p.m., di ba? And, kani, ato i-select is, kaning, as you can see, kaning time nga 50% at 1400 hours man. It's a military time. If you convert ninyo, that is 2 p.m. Yun. So, makita ninyo here na sila recommended menu 50%, di ba? So as you can see, half the price gyud, di ba? Tanawa, gyudon 99 from 199, 99.50 na lang, di ba? Spicy seafood ramen from 199, 99.50 na lang guys, di ba? Ebe tempura, di ba? From 250, 125 na lang. So 50% discount yun ni guys. Wala ni siya ilad-ilad, kumbaga. Makuha yun ninyo ang discount. Actually, I've tried naman before using this app, diba? So, kani, sample menu lang ni guys. Usually, walay appeal ang drinks. Mo lang na ito i-consider. So, kana. So, recommended menu lang ni guys. Actually, ang ubang menu is also available for discount man. So discount applies to all food items on the menu but excludes drinks and cannot be combined with any in-house promotions, diba? So mo ni sila mga food nga recommended menu katong sa Sushi Boy. You can see gyudon, spicy, seafood ramen, ebi tempura, salmon maki, and Sushi Boy mixed sushi special, diba? So it's a big discount, diba? If dili pa man kayo magutom and 2 PM, diba? Kaya pa ning 2 PM, diba? Makahuwat pa ta atong tiyan or maka-avail sa 50% discount. So why not, diba? So special conditions kani it will be held 15 minutes. Number of packs kanang imong gi-select 2. So if mo ato mo dito daghan mo dili pwede. Dapat kung unsa inyong gibutang initially kung 2 people duha ra gid mo. Kung 4 gid mo kay mo na ilang rules para katon sa mga discounts and sa mga ma-avail ninyong food items, di ba? So dapat kung unsa inyong gibutang kana lang if 2 packs duha gid mo maadto or 3 and not more than kay if more than dili nila i-honor kumbaga. So that's it, and of course next na ta. Okay, Sushi Boy at IT Park. At a review today, 2 people. Kaya nag-date mo guys, kaya it's weekend. Wow. 2 PM, Cebu IT Park, 50% off. Diba? So name, PJO, and you have to put your number. Or can I leave it blank? Let's try to leave it blank. Oh, so you need to put your numbers. Example, confirm reservation. There, so they will text you the 4-digit verification code, diba? So there you go, 2127 Yun. Your number has been verified, okay? So that's it. So thank you for your reservation. As you can see, you'll be given the kaning reservation code, diba? Sushi Boy, ani. Canceling or editing is allowed up until 1 minute beforehand, diba? So, kani, pwede nyo i-edit ang reservation, diba? Pwede nyo himong 4 people ba mo? Diba? Back. And that's it. Inyong napoy guide kung asa ning restaurants. You can press the get directions and restaurant policy, terms and conditions. So, ato ni cancel guys kay wala man dili ko kaadto aning Sushi Boy niya, di ba? Basin ka mo makaadto mo later, di ba? Why not book kani sa Eatigo? Big discount, di ba? So ato i-cancel guys. Wala may fee. You may not be able to get, yes, cancel it because dili mo kaadto, di ba? My plans have changed kunuhay. Submit. Yon, di ba? So i-cancel na to reservation code guys. So dili na ta mod to later sa Sushi Boy. So that's it guys. That's how you book through Eatigo. Di ba? Dali lang kayo siya. Very plain and simple. You browse through the available restaurants kung sa mga time ganahan dito mo adto, di ba? Na ay mga available nga time and discounts, corresponding discounts. Usually katong 50%, di ba? That's the biggest discount man. So kato itong i-avail, di ba? Siyempre, kaon ka nang magbangil sa ta, like, magbangil sa Sky Place kay 2 PM pa man ito, di ba? Kasi tawag ganyan, mapas mo na ta na by that time, di ba? Anyway, so, that's it for my vlog for today, guys. Akong tipid tip. Vlog number 1 is about getting food discounts at no extra cost, and, di ba? Wala siya gitawag nga no commitments kumbaga because you can cancel 1 minute beforehand, di ba? So win-win-win gini siyang Eatigo guys. So I highly recommend it, especially kita tanan mga food lovers man gyud ta, di ba? So that's it guys. So use my referral code, di ba? Pete1ZRBO, di ba? So yeah, that's it for my vlog today guys. I hope you like my video and you learned something today. And yeah, invite me guys if mga mo sa using the Eatigo app. So message me, joke. Yeah, and that's it guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Diba? So subscribe guys, subscribe now guys, diba? PJO. So thank you guys. I'll see you again in my next video and have a great weekend to all of us. Yeah.